Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something super cool, how to turn shape key animations into bone animations. Yep, this is a brand new feature in the second generation of our plugin. It lets you drive bones directly using shape keys, and it's honestly a game changer. So before we jump into the demo, let me quickly show you how it all works. Let's start with the basics. Just drop in a mesh and set up a simple bone. Next, let's select both the armature and the mesh in the plugin. As you can see, our mesh currently doesn't have any shape keys yet. So let's go ahead and create a few shape keys for it. All right, now back in the plugin, let's select the mesh again. And now you'll see the shape key list show up in the panel. Next, we're going to set which bone properties each shape key should control. Here, I want key 1 to control the location on the x-axis of a bone named bone. So under the transform column, I'll select location X. Then, in the value field, just type how far you want the bone to move. I'll enter 0.5, meaning the bone will move half a meter. Now for key 2, I'll use the same bone again, but this time I want to control its rotation on the Z-axis. So I'll pick rotation Z in the transform column and set the rotation value. I'll type in 30, so the bone will rotate 30 degrees when key 2 is active. Once we've confirmed the table is correct, click Create All Drivers to finish the setup. Now, you can use the shape keys to control the movement of the bones. All right, next up, we're importing our Sims 4 model. We'll start by creating a set of empty Archit-style shape keys on that model. Simply open the plugin, select the model, and hit Generate Archit Shape Keys. Next, just like before, we'll fill out the table with which bones and properties each shape key controls. And of course, the plugin lets a single shape key drive multiple properties. Just click the Add Bone button. Let's go ahead and quickly fill out the table. Once we've finished filling out the table, just click the button to create the drivers. After that, let's switch back to object mode and test out how the shape keys work. Look at that. The shape keys are now driving the bones just the way we wanted. Use the free Live Link Face app to record your animation, then transfer the CSV file to your computer. I've already got a file ready to go. Next, open the plugin and select the model that contains the shape keys. Then click the Import CSV File button to bring in the facial animation data we recorded earlier. And just like that, our shape keys are now animated. Finally, our goal is to bake the animation onto the rig. First, select the armature and switch to pose mode. Then select the facial bones you want to bake. Next, go to the top pose menu and choose Animation, Bake Action. Don't forget to check visual keying to properly capture the current animation results. Click OK, and the animation will be baked onto the rig. After baking the animation, go into the plugin and click Clear All Drivers to remove the shape keys control over the bones. Of course, you can also delete the shape keys to keep your scene nice and clean. And that's it. You've successfully converted shape key animation into a full rigged bone animation. Feel free to share your thoughts or suggestions in the comments. See you next time.